We have a 2000 model Cat 426 CIT backhoe loader, 4-wheel drive. It is turbo. Again, 4-wheel drive. It's got a nice cab on it. You see the cab ain't banged up. All the glass is good in the cab. The steps ain't bent up. The cylinders are dry. It does have a quick disconnect forks on it with a tool circuit on it. You can add a broom onto this machine or anything like that. After we started, we're going to put that front end of that tractor up. You can see the weights on that tractor. We used the machine the other day to load a bunch of steel plates. Very strong machine. Brakes are very good. Emergency brake works good. This front tires are probably 50-60%. This tire is probably only somewhere around 30-40%. It's got the old outrigger pads on it. Flip it over. Some street pads. It's a dirt pad. Has a backup alarm on it. You can see here. It's got all the lights work. All the glass is good in this cab. It's got the archer boom. It does have the extender hoe. It does have the circuitry for a hammer or a drill or anything else put on it. You see it's stretched out right now. Nice bucket, and you still have some of the black paint on the bucket. It's got the Esco teeth on it. You see the back of the bucket's not all banged up there like that. You see how nice the bucket is in the back here. The machine has 60-some-hundred hours on it. So there's no dents in that bucket. Everything stays up, it don't leak down, none of the cylinders are going to be The glass is good. This tire is a little bit better shape here. It's probably more 40-50%. On this side, this is the diesel fuel tank. It's your brakes. If you have a loader up in the area, you work on your machine. Pretty nice size inside the cab here. Just have a little small wear spot on that corner of this seat. The back part is very good. All the gauges work. See the cab's nice inside. Ain't tore up. The door is closed, nice on it. You see the latch good. You see the machine is well greased. You see all the grease around here. The full drive works very good in this machine. We do have a very nice front bucket for it. And it is a quick disconnect bucket in real nice condition. So it's hardly any use at all. It's a double edge, reversible cutting edge bucket. We're going to lift the front of this tractor up and run this machine around before you see everything move on it.